What's going on, guys? Caleb here, Caleb's Property Maintenance. Alright, finally back to some normal work. Yeah. Ooh, gotta watch my step. Anyway, if you're wondering what I'm listening to, by the way, I'm listening to the Green Industry Podcast. That's Paul Jameson. I had a chance to meet him at the GIE. Awesome dude for sure. And he's interviewing, don't quote me on the guy's name, but it's Hub Landscaping, and he's based right near Chicago, and they're talking prices, and it is an awesome episode. I can't wait to finish it up. But anyway, we're here at this job, and what we got going on today is this deck right here. You see all this moss and stuff growing on it? What we're going to do is we're going to power wash the deck, and then we're going to spray on some good old-fashioned, you guys know, remember, what do I spray on to kill green? Come on, think it through. That's right, wet and forget, baby. Yup, wet and forget. So we're going to be spraying that on after this. The customer doesn't want the moss, so what we'll end up doing is we'll power wash the first time, and then after that we're just set to go. Once a year, come do spray wet and forget, and it should be good to go. And I'm going to see, they didn't mention anything about this side here. As you can see, it doesn't get much light from these trees blocking, so you can see there's some green on the siding, so I'm going to see if they would like me to spray it on there. I will not power wash siding because I don't want to drive the water behind the siding. I don't mind power washing a wooden deck because nothing's really going to go wrong there. So, alright, here's how we're going to attack the project. I already got the water hooked up. It's on the other side of that little extension on the house. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to probably end up spraying these chairs too because there's green on them too. So we're gonna move all the chairs and stuff off, and the grill, and then we're going to blow it so it's all clean. I got the steel BR600 Magnum, and then we're just gonna get out the power washer and get right to it. Get at it. Should not take me too long. I do have a pretty nifty floor attachment that I might show you guys. I'm debating whether or not to use it on here or not because it only has I think the tips are 0. There's 2 of them that spin around. On the inside it's a circle disc. You guys probably have seen and know what I'm talking about. So we are going to possibly use that. I'll check and see. I don't know how soft the wood is, and I don't want to chew it up too much, so I want to be careful that way. But so alright, let's haul the stuff off and get going on this. Alright guys, here we go. We're all set up. Look at the difference, guys. Alright, I'm gonna keep going and I'll show you guys the finished product. It's gonna be looking pretty sweet. Can't wait to see it. Alright, guys. Okay, guys, we got wrapped up the power washing and we wrapped up the hoses and got everything all wound back and put in the trailer. And take a look here at the finished product. Wow, it looks amazing. I set these rugs here to dry. They were on the grass here and I just want them to dry. Now you may be asking, why is that one chair just sitting there? Well, obviously the ground here is not dry. And I thought I was gonna put the furniture back on, but as you can see right here, I put one foot right here and there's some mud, and I put the other foot right there. So I'm gonna inform the customer that I gotta wait till this ground dries out a little bit, and the patio, we might as well have the patio just dry too. And then I'll come back, and it's right around the corner from where I live, so it's not a big deal. So I will come back and put the furniture back. Unless if they're not concerned that it sits on the yard, I may just leave it there, and because I got to come back and spray wet and forget. It's supposed to rain like crazy tomorrow, so I'm not gonna be able to do it tomorrow. So if they're okay with just me leaving it on the yard, that's cool with me. So yep, we got that done. Man, that looks so good. Let me show you guys one more time. It just looks awesome. I love power washing. That's one of my favorite things to do, just because the end result is awesome. It sort of has the same effect on me as mowing, because it looks awesome when you finish that as well. So, and especially to get rid of all that moss and whatnot, that was awesome. And I even did the little downspout here, concrete downspout, or what would you call that? Because the downspout's the part that's on the house. I don't know. Water runoff helper outer. Oh man, it's just the right word's just not coming right now. So anyway, I got that. That looks awesome, because when these are one of my customers that I basically only do snow for, but it's right around the corner, like I said, so it's not that big of a deal. And I always, when I'm walking back here to do the patio, because they want me to do that so they can get in the garage and the back door. Anyway, I always slip on that on that concrete right there at the base of the downspout, and I think it's because there was a lot of moss on there, so I got that all power washed off. So that'll be really nice. Hopefully I won't slip. So all right guys, I will show you here the surface cleaner, the round thing. It attaches right to the power washer, not a big deal. So it just attaches right at the handle there, and you just push it around. I mean, it's really, let me tell you, it does wonders. And what I really like about it is it's even, because the jets are always at a constant same difference to the grounds, so you get a very even and nice job. So I really love it. It's great, guys, if you have a lot of in-ground pools with nice decks around them. It's great for that. You can just fly so much faster with it. I mean, you got to go slow, but the overall job time is way lower than if I sat here like I did on this one with just the wand. So I can show you here the underside here. Let's take a look. So that just literally, the water comes through there and causes it to spin, and just literally spins around and does it. It's great. Also, here's a little tip for you guys. You might be able to sell your customers on power washing their walks up to the front door, as well as their sidewalk and their little curb at the street. That'll make the property look really nice. I'm gonna definitely be pushing that next year a little bit, just to see if anybody's interested in that, because it really makes a big difference. We've been doing it here at our house for a couple years now, and I have not yet had a chance to, you know how it is, guys, you just get busy. I haven't had a chance to do the curb, but so that's kind of dirty, but the sidewalk itself is nice and clean. So all right guys, thanks for watching this tutorial so far. And I guess what I'm gonna have to do is part 2, where I spray the wet and forget, so you guys can see how beautifully easy it is to do. And there's no bleach or caustic stuff in it, so it doesn't harm plants or anything. So, and it's just really easy. You just spray it on and away you go. So I'll have to do a part 2 to this video, but thank you so much for watching this far, and make sure you guys share this video and like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day.